Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. What if I tell you that one free AI setup can help you earn real money? Even if you are a complete beginner, no coding, no degree, no prior experience. Everyone is talking about the AI. I'll be honest with you that everyone is talking about the AI around right now. Okay, you open YouTube, AI videos, Instagram, AI Reels, LinkedIn, AI posts. But the real problem is nobody is explaining AI in a simple and practical way. So basically, when I started learning AI, I was confused too many tools, too many promises, too much hype. So in this video, I'll not confuse you. I'll show you how AI actually works and how beginner can use it properly and earn around $50,000 per month. I'm saying it practically. Okay. So first let understand one thing very clearly. AI is not a magic. AI is not replacing humans. AI is simply a tool that helps you think faster and work smarter. Earlier we used Google to search, now AI give you direct answers, ideas and systems. The people who are winning with AI are not developers. They are people who know what to ask and how to use it for the output. Let me show you with the real example. Okay, so in this video we are using the AI anti-gravity that Google has launched some time before. Okay, so first of all we will go on the chat GPT. I have just written that hi chat GPT. uh, I have to give the prompt to the anti-gravity that I have to create a website single page application. First of all we will learn that how the single page applications can make single page website. Suppose it is for the sports academy website, and it should the color should be I'll website. I just wanted to you to let the anti-gravity know that we have to use the modern colors and modern animations. Just keep this application like ChatGPT can read that thing also. And I just wanted that the color should use in matte red in color. Make the website prompt. That's it. I'll just change some of the application spellings. Yeah, just share it. Now what the outcomes take comes: single page sports academy website, role and mindset, pretend you are a UI UX designer and front end developer, creating high impact modern designs, sports academy website. Okay, here I got something: attract students and parents, design, style, coloring, charcoal, bakery, white, animation, interaction, use smooth, modern, fit, anything else, website structure. Okay, here is the website structure, tech expectations, UX expectations, final output. Okay, so we'll just copy these from here, and here you can see the anti-gravity is already opened. Oh sorry, here is some of my file has been opened. So first of all I'll just open the folder. uh, Here is personals, here is YT. I'll create new folder V1. We will just write a name V1 here, and we will just open the select folder. Now the anti-gravity will open. Okay, uh, wait a second, like it is taking some of the time. So here is the anti-gravity. Don't search for these things, those things from right now. I'll just not explain all of the things that what I did. Selection view, go run terminal help. We will just open this application. I have just copy pasted from there, here from ChatGPT, and I have just, okay, here you can see the things. I'll just send it here. I have used on the clouds on it right now. You can use anything, but I have used on these clouds on it right now. So what he can do, then we have to just wait and watch at what he is working on. It isn't like I'll just know to skip this video. Don't skip the video if you need to understand, if you need to learn the things. Okay, I'll create a premium modern single page sports academy website with the matte red color schemes, smooth animation. Let me start the setting up the project structure and building the high impact website. Yeah, here we can get the task that what we are create the implementation, define the design system, plan component structure and all of those things. Here are the task. Here is the implementation plan. Here we got the implementation plan, that what the design approach he will use, what is the single page structure, what are the core website files will be in index.html, and that design will be in style CSS. If you don't have any knowledge, don't worry. He will just you have to review it. Once again, that HTML W3 validator they will use, CSS validations they will use. Okay, and here are the tasks that what they are building. I'll just write it here that you can go ahead with this plan. Now let's check it out, that how much time it will take to create. It's like I'm teaching you the things in around like 6 to 7 minutes, and it is not that much of difficult. I'll just also show you in the Chrome that is running. Like first of all, he will just create some of the photos and all of the things. I guess it will take some of the time, but it is the easiest way to earn around $10,000, $15,000 for one project. Like companies are paying too much. Like a static website, for this is static, just wanted to know that like it is an static website, so it would be easy to understand. We will wait for some time. That one image is already has been generated. It is like, see, you can see that here Gemini is generating the videos. Don't just wait. Like if you want to earn, if you want to learn the things, just give your life 10 minutes to this video. You can learn the things. And this is a real example, I'm showing it live. I just started the screen recorder. And one more thing, like when the things are going on, I just wanted to let you know that AI will not replace people, but people who use AI will replace people who don't. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start the things. And it is the smoothest thing that I am just saying, let you know that. If this video helped you even a little, please like the video, and YouTube shows it to more learners. Okay. Oh, like something has been done here, creating a gallery error during the tool executions. See, I'm not doing nothing, I'm just scrolling here and there. I have just given the prompt, just we need to see like what has been, it has been executed, created the implementation plan, define the design system in color palette. Here is the color palette. You can just, if you want to see that which color they are using, just go on Chrome, search it for it. This color they will use. If you just wanted to see the things, it will take around like 10 to 12 minutes to create the things. Like it is just a single day thing. LLM aren't perfect. There are number of reasons why LLM generate incorrect response that we cannot handle. Sometimes error is a part of the model research planning. It take mistake to learn your computer. Yeah, just wanted to let you know that like this is an anti-gravity that we are using. I'll just write it down that why you are taking. Oh, they are working or what? We'll go on task where it is. Much of time as soon as possible. Oh, like yeah, we will get the backend accent. We will accept here. I'll just remove distance. Now the file has been created. Like here we have created the assets. Like here is the code. We will accept the things. Like it is an index HTML. Now they are creating the CSS. That is known as the design part. HTML is known as the structure part and CSS is known as design part. So you just need to know those things only. I don't know that what is written here, that what the goal. Now let me create the comparison CSS file with the metric design. So it takes some of the time that it would be easy to you guys as well. See, I'm not running something like the things that doesn't matter to you guys. That's why I've just shared the screen and it is running automatically. Sometimes it takes time. This is an anti-gravity. You can download it and do the setup from there, so it would be easy to use. Sometimes it take time, but it is taking that much of time. I don't know. Now let me create the compressor CSV file. Yeah, the CSS has been generated. You can see the CSS. We will accept all. Now let me create the JavaScript for the interactive things. Light sports academy, premium metro theme, modern animation, CSS variables, design systems, color, what they have used on. You can just check it out from here. So for this, like you can just create for the some of the restaurant website, for the some of the like what we can say, any website and make it live. That's it. You have the code base and you can just do it. Now they are creating the JavaScript is known as also known as functionality of the whole of those website. So don't go ahead according to that. Creating the JavaScript, yeah, they are creating the JavaScript for the animations as well, as already seen here. Yeah, creating JavaScript animation and interactivity. Now let me taste the website and opening. Now see, they are opening the website. The JavaScripts has already, we will accept it. You can just accept it from there only. Yeah, the anti-gravity has been opened. See the website, how beautiful the website is. You just not need to do anything. I have just written the prompt. In 13 minutes the video, the website has been ready. Okay, so we will go to the anti-gravity. They are just testing the website that all the things are working fine or not. If not, then they will just share the message. Now this is the second screen. They are going through. Here the agent need your input. Here it is written. We will again go to the anti-gravity, then we will confirm that what the behavior they are using right now. See, they have already used many things. See, they are just checking the whole website by themselves. We will confirm here. Now again we will go to the website. We don't need to do anything, they are doing their by own. We will confirm it from here. Okay, we will view that while we are clicking what is happening going on there. At second, where it is, where, yeah, here it is. Oh, the agent need my input, what he needs. I'll just confirm it. What of the task has been done. There, see, you can see the click mark here right now. Now all of those things has been done. Now they are testing the responsive design, verifying the animation, test on mobile and desktop. Oh, sorry, where it is. Performance optimization and create walkthrough documentation. They will create the documentations as well. If there will be any problem, they will fix by their own. Again, I need my confirmation. We have to wait for a few seconds. Mm, see, the website is ready. It is home, join academy, get in touch, contact, testimonials, gallery, cricket training, football ground, basketball court, programs, coaches. And if you see there is an issue, okay, so what you will find, you will just check the screenshot. I am unable to see the images of the coaches. Can you fix it? That's it. He will do their own work. Oh, like the things is already worked, so they are creating the walkthrough document. I'll pause it. I'll just send it. See, the animations has already implemented. Okay, we will accept the things. We have to review the request. We have to accept the request. Whatever the request they are asking for, just that's it. We have to do nothing. We have to just accept the things. I'll go to the always proceed because it is doing in my computer itself, so it would be easy to me. So, did you understood that like how easy to create the website? It is running in the Chrome, and like it is damn easy to create all those things. If you need the second thing, see, they have fixed some of the parts. I'll just refresh this, and you can see the images of the Michael, Sarah, and James Chen. It is a head of basketball, head of football, and head of all of those things. We will just stop here right now. We will go to the mirror. So here I just wanted to let you know that if you if you are someone who want to personalize, okay, I also work with the individual and business too. We set up the AI systems, automate content, and if this video helped you even a little, please like the video, and YouTube shows it to more to the learners. Subscribe to the channel if you want to real AI tutorials, not hype, and comment below AI start. I personally read the comments, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.